Woodworking at a professional level is much more than shaping timber into furniture. It is the merging of skill, vision, and strategic design that transforms raw material into high-value products customers are willing to pay premium prices for. As markets evolve, and homes become more focused on character and craftsmanship, advanced wood craft projects stand at the center of rising demand. Buyers want items that feel handcrafted, unique, durable, and thoughtfully designed. They want furniture that reflects artistry, home decor that carries personality, and functional pieces that elevate everyday living. And for professionals who understand this demand, the opportunity for significant income has never been stronger. This narration explores high-profit woodcraft projects tailored for professionals, pieces that bring consistent sales, attract customers searching for quality, and become signature items that define your creative identity. Each project discussed in this journey is crafted for those who want to step beyond basic builds and enter the realm of advanced craftsmanship. These are the types of pieces that buyers treat not just as furniture, but as investments. They bring elegance into living rooms, warmth into kitchens, style into bedrooms, and a distinct uniqueness into workspaces. And when these projects are shaped with professional techniques, refined finishes, and a clear artistic intent, they command prices that reflect the hours of mastery behind them. But advanced woodworking is not just about complexity. It is about intentional design, structural excellence, and understanding what customers perceive as premium. It is also about maximizing your income by choosing builds that justify higher price tags through their quality, detailed joinery, aesthetic appeal, and long-lasting value. The projects explored here are not random options, they are proven high-profit builds that consistently attract interest, generate strong sales, and build a reputation for excellence. Through this narration, you will immerse yourself in the world of refined craftsmanship, where each piece tells a story of patience, precision, and creativity. Whether you're aiming to grow your woodworking business, expand your portfolio, or simply push your skills to a new professional level, these advanced builds can elevate your craft and open doors to higher earnings. Let's begin with deep insight, consistent reasoning, and a focus on woodwork that pays literally and creatively. Professional woodworking thrives on detail, artistry, and the ability to transform simple materials into striking final products that instantly communicate value. The difference between a beginner project and a high-profit professional build is often found in the precision of the joinery, the harmony of proportions, the balance of form and function, and the richness of the finish. Customers who seek premium wooden pieces aren't simply searching for practicality. They're looking for character, refinement, and longevity. They want furniture and decor items that stand out in their home, not just as functional pieces, but as statements of taste. This is why the high-profit projects at a professional level always share several core characteristics. They are unique, labor-intensive without being excessively time-consuming, and visually impressive enough to justify premium pricing. One of the most profitable directions for professional woodworkers is in creating custom wooden tables. Not ordinary tables, but true pieces of craftsmanship, dining tables with live-edge slabs, conference tables with intricate grain patterns, coffee tables that mix hardwood surfaces with steel bases, and sculptural side tables that offer artistic aesthetics. When professionals work with high-quality hardwood such as walnut, ash, maple, or oak, the results naturally command higher prices because the material itself carries inherent value. Customers respond strongly to natural textures, organic shapes, and clean joinery. A beautifully crafted table has a presence in a room, one that clients instantly recognize and are willing to invest in. Professional tables with premium finishes often remain in families for decades, becoming heirloom pieces, and it is this sense of longevity that allows woodworkers to price them significantly higher. Another realm that consistently produces high-profit results is cabinetry and storage furniture. Professional-grade cabinets, bookshelves, pantry organizers, and wardrobes have become major investment pieces for homeowners looking to elevate their interiors. Advanced storage builds require precise measurements, flawless alignment, and a sophisticated understanding of how to balance aesthetics with functional needs. When professionals incorporate soft-close hinges, carefully selected hardware, seamless drawer movement, and clean interior organization, the final product stands apart from mass-produced furniture. Customers can see the difference. They can feel the sturdiness in the doors, appreciate the smooth glide of the drawers, and immediately understand they are purchasing quality. Custom cabinetry is one of the strongest earning categories in woodworking, especially when combining minimalist designs with solid hardwood frames and subtle decorative elements. A modern trend boosting professional woodworkers' income is the creation of hybrid furniture, pieces that blend wood with metal, glass, or stone. These hybrid projects have risen in popularity because they embody both traditional warmth and contemporary style. A hardwood tabletop paired with sleek metal legs, for example, creates an eye-catching contrast that appeals to modern buyers. A wooden cabinet with fluted glass panels feels both vintage and modern. A wooden console with a stone inlay instantly becomes a premium piece. Adding mixed materials strategically elevates the perceived value of your work, making it easier to price your projects on the higher end of the market. Hybrid woodworking requires careful craftsmanship, but the rewards and profit make the effort worthwhile. Professionals also earn substantial income by focusing on artistic and sculptural wood decor. These projects require creativity, but they are powerful profit generators because customers are willing to pay more for unique artistic pieces than for standard functional furniture. Sculptural wall art, intricate wooden clocks, carved centerpieces, geometric decor blocks, layered 3D wall panels, or artistic wooden figurines all bring life to spaces and evoke emotional connections. These items often become the highlight of interior design, drawing the eye the moment someone enters a room. The beauty of artistic decor is that its value is driven by uniqueness and craftsmanship, not by material cost or size. Even smaller decorative pieces can be sold at premium prices if they are distinctive and executed professionally. Professional woodworkers also find great financial success in creating luxury wooden seating. High-end chairs, loungers, stools, and benches remain in high demand because they combine comfort with craftsmanship. Advanced joinery such as mortise and tenon, finger joints, or dowel joints elevate a simple chair into a premium piece. The shape, the curves, the ergonomics, and the seamless transitions between components define the value. When professionals sculpt armrests, shape contoured seats, or steam bend wood for elegant curves, the final results become masterpieces. Professional woodworking opens the door to higher earnings because it combines artistry, skill, and strategic design. When you focus on advanced builds that carry strong visual impact and long-lasting quality, customers recognize the value immediately. They trust your craftsmanship, appreciate your attention to detail, and see your work as an investment in their home. Whether you're creating tables, cabinets, hybrid furniture, lighting, reclaimed wood pieces, or custom commissions, each project holds the potential to become a signature work that elevates both your reputation and your income. The more you refine your craft, the more your creations stand apart and the more your business grows. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.